Sony has been sending us their REON Pockets for dang near 3 years now. This is the latest REON Pocket Pro. If you guys don't know what this is essentially a portable air conditioner slash heater, and we'll explain everything in the full review. But let's just take a look at this because this is a completely different box. This is a 2025 unit, and they even have the logo on the bottom here, 2025 Sony Thermo Technology. Not necessarily Sony themselves, the same guys that make soundbars, TVs, cameras, etc. These guys is actually a separate division that formed at around 2017 when one of the guys went to Shanghai and was like, oh my gosh, it's so hot, came back to Japan and invented a way to combat that. And we'll just dive in a little bit more to the history in the full review, but let's check this out. Sony's been really good with their packaging as of late, so there's less plastic. There is still plastic, but there has been less plastic in all of their packaging. Let's see what lies under here. So we have all this fun stuff. We have oh, look at that. It's a C2C with a 90-degree elbow. That's useful for anything, not just this. What a great cable. Wrapped in paper, of course. And oh my gosh, is this that sensor? It might be the sensor. Oh, it's not, it's a duct. So they have revised the unit 6 times over. They have the REON Pocket all the way up to the Pocket 5 and now the Pro, so essentially 6 generations, and they've been fine-tuning it each and every time. So I can't speak to specifically what this piece does currently because I've never held the new body yet, but that is meant to reroute the air slash the hot air, cold air to different places. Now you have multiple languages, here's some regulatory stuff, and you have your warranty card, which of course only works if you go through us because Sony Japan will not facilitate warranty services overseas. And you do have multiple different languages here, and that'll teach you all about what is what. So hold on to this absolute tome of a user guide and let's check out the unit itself. So this one comes with the neckband. A lot of the times they didn't. You had to purchase the neckband separately. I gotta say right out of the gates, that's heavy. Oh my god, look at this thing. Well, didn't that change? We'll put some overlays of the previous generation build conditions, but that is so different. Look at this. So what you would do here is you would take that off, and if you wanted to extend, because everyone has a different body, of course, if you wanted to extend the ductwork, they do give you that option. And I believe this is for the neckband removal or the battery removal or something. What is that? So you can push this button down and that removes the neckband, but in order to wear it, you require the neckband. So this is basically a device that utilizes, as you can see there, a heat sink to absorb all of the heat, to blow all the hot air out, and make this contact patch that goes on your neck, the nape of your neck and the back, upper back, cold. Or you could actually utilize the opposite feature and heat this up. You might be saying, well, why would I want to heat up a lithium-ion battery, etc.? But, I mean, you have lithium-ion batteries inches away from various zones on your body all the time. So the negative backlash that this did have with the few initial responses of people saying, I don't want a battery on me, I mean, you have batteries in your ears when you put earbuds in, so that point is moot. You have a start-stop button, you have a mode button, and you have plus and minus to go up and down. You also have a smart button, which automatically detects the environment and adjusts it accordingly. And there's your USB-C for charging. You do not need to use the bent elbow 90 degrees. You can use any cable you want. It does charge as is, but for now, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new REON Pocket Pro. This is the most technical piece they have ever made thus far. It has gone from very subdued Apple mouse looking devices all the way up to this overly complicated, huge machine that you have to now weigh yourself down and have this on your body in order to stay cold. Does it work? Does it function? Is it a complete facade? We have no idea. We're going to find out in the full review. Thanks for watching.